Meroda Cosmetics is a beauty and makeup brand that has gained popularity for its focus on creating simple, convenient, and modern cosmetic products designed for everyday use. The brand is especially recognized for its innovative makeup approach, with products that aim to provide a natural-looking finish while reducing the complexity of a traditional makeup routine. Many customers are attracted to Meroda Cosmetics because of its stylish presentation, easy-to-use formulas, and the idea of achieving a fresh, effortless appearance without applying multiple layers of makeup. The brand's products are generally marketed toward people who prefer lightweight coverage, a smooth complexion, and a more natural beauty style rather than a heavy or dramatic makeup look. One of the main appeals of Meroda Cosmetics is its focus on convenience. Products are designed to be quick and practical, making them suitable for daily routines, work, casual outings, or situations where users want to enhance their appearance without spending too much time on makeup application. Some users appreciate the texture, blendability, and overall finish of the products, mentioning that they can create a soft and polished look. The packaging and branding also contribute to the premium feel of the company, giving customers the impression of a modern beauty product line that combines functionality with attractive design. However, like any cosmetic brand, Meroda Cosmetics may not deliver the same results for everyone. Makeup performance can vary greatly depending on factors such as skin type, skin texture, natural complexion, skincare habits, climate, and personal expectations. Some users may find the products work well with their skin and provide the desired coverage and finish, while others may feel that the shade match, staying power, or overall effect does not fully meet their needs. People with oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, or specific coverage preferences may have different experiences compared with those who prefer a simple, natural makeup style. Another factor to consider is that online beauty products are often presented through carefully created marketing images, and the real-life experience may vary. Customers should consider looking at product details, ingredients, application methods, and how the product is expected to perform before purchasing. Understanding whether a product is designed for light coverage, full coverage, long wear, or a specific skin concern can help set realistic expectations. Overall, Meroda Cosmetics appears to be a brand focused on innovation, convenience, and natural-looking beauty solutions. It may be a good option for individuals who enjoy simple makeup routines and products that aim for an effortless appearance. At the same time, it is important for customers to consider their own skin requirements and preferences before deciding if the products are the right fit. The brand offers an interesting concept in the beauty market, but personal experience will ultimately depend on individual skin characteristics, application techniques, and expectations from the product.